Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Video lectures, Class 4, Subject English. Lecture 2. Book name is Oxford Reading Circle. Let's see the contents of today's lecture. First, we will do the word meanings, then word sentences, and then at the end we will do the character sketch of GLAZIER. Let's start with words meanings. The words for meanings are astonished, cruel, mischievous, glazier, and compassionate. Students, you better take out your notebooks and your pencils so that you could note these words down. Let's see the meanings of these words now. Astonished, the meaning is amazed. Cruel, meaning ruthless. Mischievous, the meaning is naughty. Glazier, the meaning is one who works with glass. The last word is compassionate. There are two meanings for this word: sympathetic or kind. So these are the 5 words which you have to do for their meanings. Now, coming to the sentences of these words, we have the same words for sentences: astonished, cruel, mischievous, glazier, and compassionate. I am going to give you a sample sentence for each word, but I encourage all the students to make sentences of their own. First word is astonished. The sample sentence: the news astonished us all. Second word, cruel. The miller was cruel to the animals. Third word, mischievous. He had a mischievous smile on his face. Fourth word, glazier. The glazier was a poor fellow. And the fifth word is compassionate. Our holy prophet, peace be upon him, was a compassionate man. So these are the sample sentences of the words. I have given them for your help, for your convenience, but you should try to make your own sentences as well. Now let's do the character sketch of the glazier. The glazier is a simple fellow. He is very poor and humble. He works hard to earn his living. He is caring for his family. He gets worried when his glass is broken. However, he is a contented person and does not demand more money for the donkey. He accepts the money offered by the miller and goes away happily. He also feels thankful to Rubizel for his help. So, this is the character sketch of the glazier from the story. You can note it down in your notebooks and you can learn it also. You also have the option that you can write it on your own. Okay, this is today's lecture. If you have any queries or questions about it, you can ask me. I am here to guide you. Thank you.